Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The practical file of E.P.L. Exercises from practical life. Whenever we talk about exercises from or of practical life, we have to guide, we have to develop the activities in a proper manner into our child. Different activities till morning to night we are watching and we are having a sequence like sitting, standing, gripping things, holding things and eating, drinking, sleeping or making fun. Each and every activity is being judged with some manners. Some sensorily activities are happening, some visually activities are happening and the motor muscles are being developed. Today we are starting our presentation with folding, unfolding and rolling of mat. A mat is a vital part of Montessori material. Most of the things has to present or display on mat. Now, a teacher in the directress has to tell a child how to put the mat or any napkin or piece of cloth in a particular manner. Rectangular to rectangular, bigger to small. Check this again. With right and both left hand, the biggest mat is being holding. For the child, it is little convenient to roll the mat. After folding presentation, the same mat is being folded and for the child, this activity helps a lot. More thicker, more heavier object, mat or a piece of cloth may be handled like rolling. Now check the folding once again. Two sides with other two sides, corner to corner. Then in front of you, corner to corner, upward to downwards, left to right. And this is how a big mat may fold in a proper manner. This creates grace, personal care and sensibility of responsible person in a child. Thank you so much.